Hey there, what's up everyone? Happy New Year! Today I'm going to show you how to make salt and pepper king prawns. I'm using prawns with head and shell. This requires a bit more preparation, but I promise you it'll be worth it in the end as these prawns are super juicy and delicious. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, sorry about my voice. I've got a bit of a sore throat. Prawns, I got them fresh from the market today. I'm just going to show you how to prep these prawns. Get yourself a pair of scissors. As you can see, these prawns have a very sharp bit that you need to take out. Otherwise, they can be a bit dangerous when eating. Scissors go in and cut it off. Pull it straight and you trim off the legs. Finally, cut open the shell. You need to take out this bit, which is not very pleasant. And there you are guys, that's done. Once again, prawns, trim the legs, trim the moustache. Now I just need to do this for every single prawn. What you want to do now, put some potato starch into the prawns and give it a shake. And just leave it to one side as they're ready for frying now. Now I'm going to prepare some vegetables. Half a red onion, diced. Carrot, again diced. Green onion. Half a chili. Green and red pepper, diced. This is what we have here. Half a teaspoon of dehydrated garlic, some chili and garlic sauce, half a teaspoon, and I've got my salt and pepper mix here. I'm going to share with you a screenshot of the salt and pepper mix and some ShaoXing cooking wine. This will make your prawns more aromatic. Alright guys, so now we have our ingredients. We are ready to start cooking. Wok on. So first of all, we're going to fry our prawns. Heat up your wok, oil, heat up your oil. You want your oil to be nice and hot. As you can see now, it's smoking. Get your prawns ready. Prawn goes in. Prawns cook very quickly, only about 2 minutes. See how it's already changed color? Cook it on high heat. Yeah, look at that. I'm going to take them out. We're going to fry them twice. I'm going to sift the oil. Heat it up again. Get your prawns ready. Frying it twice will make it extra crispy. So, back into the wok. And it's ready. There you go. Now, give it a quick wash. Heat up your wok again. Oil, vegetables, fry. Yeah. Prawns back in. Toss. Salt and pepper. 1. And again, 2. Wine. And now we serve. This is how you make salt and pepper king prawns. As they're very crispy, I'm going to eat them with the shell on. You can eat the head as well. Oh, absolutely delicious. Oh, so nice. So much flavor. So, there you have it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. A very happy new year to you all. Bye!